let's have a comparison between Fedora versus Linux Mint. So here's a 2026 productivity-focused comparison of Fedora versus Linux Mint. So first we have Fedora. It uses Genome by default. It is sleek but minimal, which is good for keyboard-driven productivity once you learn Genome workflows. It has latest apps and desktop features. It has an excellent support for developers, many programming tools available in repos. It's great if you like the newest features and if you're comfortable learning new workflows and if you are a developer or power user. Second, we have Linux Mint. It uses Cinnamon Desktop, familiar with customizable like Windows layout. It's very easy to use the first time with ready-made tools for daily tasks. It has stable updates, mean less chances of breakage during productive sessions. It's great if you want just works system. You like simple, consistent workflows, and if you are new to Linux. If we talk about the performance and system requirements, then Fedora uses a bit more RAM but is optimized for modern workflows, and Linux Mint feels snappier on older hardware. So at last, you can choose Fedora if you want cutting-edge tech and frequent updates, and if you are into open source development and don't mind learning new desktop workflows, then you can choose Fedora. Or you can choose Linux Mint if you want a simple, reliable system. You can use it right away. And if you prefer a more familiar UI, especially coming from Windows, and if you care about long-term stability over newest versions. If you're a beginner, then Mint is easier to start with. Advanced users who like Genome and the newest innovations will love Fedora. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.